Hi guys! Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to do scallop edges and rickrack trims in Clo. I'll be using an A-line skirt today as an example to create the scallop edges. Select the Add Point Split Line tool. Hover over to your hem. Right-click. Because the total length of my hem is 20 inches and I want to create 5 scallops, I'm going to split my hem into 10 segments. After you have your hem divided into 10 equal segments, click on every other segment point. Press Shift and right-click and put 1 inch in the distance moved box to set your scallop height to be 1 inch. After that step is completed, select all the points that you want to be rounded out. Right-click and select Convert to Curve Point. Now you have a scallop hem. Repeat the same steps for your back skirt panel. Use your Add Point Split Line tool, right-click, split into 10 segments, select every other point, drag, press Shift and right-click, 1 inch in distance moved, and select all the points you want to round out, right-click, and convert to curve point. Now you have a scallop edge on both front and back skirt. Press Stimulate to see, and you'll notice that some of the edges of the scallop isn't very smooth. So in order for us to see that more clearly, you can select the panels and set particle distance to 5. Now that both the front and back of your skirt has a scallop hem, we're going to learn how to create the rickrack trims. Select your trace tool, click on your wavy hem, select Trace as internal lines. After that, click Shift and right-click and put 1 inch in distance moved to create an internal line that is 1 inch away from your hem. Click on the internal line, copy, and paste. Click Shift, right-click, put 1 inch, so you create another internal line that's 1 inch away from the first internal line you created. After you have 2 lines, select both, extend, trim, and add point to pattern outline. Now use your trace tool again, select both of the lines and the sides, right-click, select Trace as Pattern. Now you've created the pattern piece for your rickrack trim. Repeat the same steps for the back of the skirt. After you have your pattern pieces ready, it's time to apply your trims onto the skirt. After you've done your sewing, select the trim pieces in the 3D window, right-click, and select Superimpose over. Do the same for the back. After the pieces are superimposed over the skirt panels, you can click Simulate. Now you have your Rickrack trims applied onto your skirt. Now that you've learned how to create scallop hem and Rickrack trims in Clo, feel free to explore and play with color blocking or apply it on different areas of garments. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.